Hi, this is Trainroom Gary out rail fanning at the Michigan Central Station, Detroit, Michigan, and it's January 27th, 2023. We are now approaching the Michigan Central Station from the backside. We're now going to drive under the tracks and come out on the other side, on the side of the Michigan Central Station. The station opened on January 4th, 1914. Of course, that was steam power. It closed on January 6, 1988, and that was the last Amtrak train to leave the station. It's scheduled to reopen in the fall of 2023. This is going to be a research center for autonomous vehicles for the Ford Motor Company. We are now approaching the construction of the Roosevelt Park, which is right in front of the Michigan Central Station. This will also be Detroit's new Amtrak station. It's a very windy day in downtown Detroit. Let's get out of the F-150 and walk up and take some rail fanning still pictures. Let's restart the engine and drive up closer. At the end of this road, we'll turn to the right and go along the side of the Michigan Central Station, and we'll see some construction going on. Coming up next, let's drive over and check out the construction site at the Gordie Howe International Bridge. The Gordie International Bridge will connect Detroit, Michigan to Windsor, Ontario, Canada. We're now driving towards the bridge. That large tower, of course, is on the Detroit side, and you'll see the approaches to the bridge. We're just going to turn around here. Here's a few snapshots I did. This is the, of course, the tower on the Detroit side with the bridge. Here's the bridge approaches. And this image I took this past summer when I was out fishing on the Detroit River. This is the Detroit side. Please smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to get all the notifications from YouTube. And as always, cheers from Detroit and Mackinac Railway.
This is Trainroom Pam.
This is Trainroom Gary. Thanks for watching. Please check out these fine videos from my YouTube channel.